So as you were looking online at the different acrylic block options, you can either get a 4x6, a 5x7, an 8x8, or an 8x10. Now you'll notice that some of the 5x7s that we have out here, actually it looks like all of the 5x7s we have out here are going to have the etching done to them. So if you have been in the card editor and designed some of our amazing press cards, you can take many of those styles and also have an acrylic block made with that etching done in the style of the card. So I know, just speaking for us, when we do our Christmas cards, we always have an acrylic block made. So we have, you know, a little bit more substantial piece to put out at the holidays. But for graduation announcements, awesome idea to do that.
Nice callback, Matt. That's what we call a callback.
A callback?
Yes. This is exactly what we showed yesterday with the twins. Remember the twins? And we talked about that card and making it, as Matt said, a permanent keepsake, or at the holidays, whatever. I mean, really a great idea.
So you can see that a little bit better. I love these.
I am unhealthily in love with the blocks. I spend a lot of time with them, just me and the blocks.
Just me and the blocks.
It's weird, I know, but an inch thick, just look what it does with the light. They're just so cool, and they stand on their own.
Do you want to know another cool thing that we've seen out in studios? So a lot of times we will see these being sold as sets. So if you're doing a family portrait, you know, you do an 8x10 block of the family, and then maybe a 5x7. We have the hand giving us an 8x10 block.
Oh, thank you, hand.
Then you partner that with a 5x7 of maybe, you know, the kids, and then potentially another 5x7 of the parents, and then instead of just selling one thing, now you have sold a set. So as you're thinking about merchandising, again, going back to the mall, of which we have not heard of before, when you're going into stores, you're looking at the mannequins and they're fully dressed. You know, it's very rare that you walk in and it's only got shoes on. You know, you're trying to buy the whole outfit. So when you're merchandising your studio, or if you're doing in-person sales in a home, make sure and have multiples to show for many different options. It just makes it easier to sell multiples, gets people thinking in multiples. Plus, I would much rather have you sell 3 pieces than 1, because your profitability is going to be that much better.
Hey everyone, thanks for checking out White House Custom Color on YouTube. Check out for the information below, and also don't forget to smash that subscribe button.